Hello, welcome back. Now we are in the main menu on Overleaf and we would like to create a new project. So here we can click on create project. So we can have blank project, example project, upload a project if we already have a code from a project. We can upload it here on compile. And there are some templates that we're going to discuss later on in later sections of this course. But for overview, we know that there are some templates here for journal articles, books, letters, assignments, posters, presentations, reports, and CV and resume, thesis, and you can view all of them in one place here as well. So we are going to start with a blank page. When I click on it, it asks me to type the project name. So I would say just test 2. So here, as we know, we have 3 sections in this part. The left-hand side is the file outline plus the main text file here, and there will be some other files here later on in this course. In this part, we are going to type down whatever we want, the sectioning, the abstract of a paper, for example, the packages, whatever we are going to type down in our file, we are going to type it here. And then we have the PDF generated here. So this is how basically we can create a file on Overleaf. And basically you can also have some access to this file for other people. You can create some access for people. For example, you can click on share here. You can add emails people here and then invite them to join you on this project. And then you can have the history here. For example, if someone makes some changes, for example, there is one file and 3 people are working on the file simultaneously, you can see who made some modification and exactly they did where they did that modification and what they did in that modification. But here, because we don't have any modification yet, you can only see that it says on 9th of December at this time I created, it says you created the main text file here. So basically this is it, how we can make a new project on Overleaf.